New Mexico Carpet Repair and Cleaning here. We got ripples in this nice fuchsia patterned carpet, and it's only about 5 or so years old, or 10 years old, and the customers like it and want to keep it, so we are going to stretch it and then clean it, as we do on a daily basis. We're here mid-stretch. As you can see, we got the majority of the ripples out. Now we're agitating the pre-spray that we sprayed down for the carpet cleaning after vacuuming. Allows for a deeper cleaning, more evenly spread pre-spray in the carpet. We use quality detergents that we agitate if so desired by the customer. This is our top tier level of service. So we're finished with the stretch and clean. As you can see, it's nicely groomed. The ripples are out and the traffic marks are quite a bit less dark. We love serving great customers in Albuquerque, New Mexico. You can check out our website, NewMexicoCarpetRepair.com.